Junior tap solo is next, entry number 38. The code is E. Please welcome Becca with Consequence of Sound.
Got a soundtrack in my mind all the time. Kids screaming from too much beat up and they don't even rhyme. They just stand there on a street corner, skin tucked in and the meat side out and shouting. I'd like to turn them down, but there ain't no knob. Born into picket fences, not into picket lines. All this hippie this for the 60s and a cliche and our times. But what if one of these days your heart will just stop ticking and they sorta just don't find you till your cubicle is reeking? The consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds. Down, 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 down. My rhyme ain't good just yet, my brain and tongue just met, and they ain't friends so far. My words don't travel far, they tangle in my hair and tend to go nowhere. They grow right back inside, right past my brain and eyes, into my stomach juice, where they don't serve much use. No healthy calories, nutrition values, and I absorb back in the words right through my skin. They sit there festering inside my bowels, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds, the consonants and vowels, the consequence of sounds.
Thank you, Becca, with Consequence of